Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. In previous video, we have seen construction of triangles and its three types. Let us see number 4, to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. So first we have to clear these 2 points, right angle triangle and its hypotenuse. So let us see right angle triangle. Already we know that right angle means exactly measures 90 degree. That is called right angle. Now let us see right angle triangle. A triangle with a right angle is called a right angle triangle. It means that a triangle which is having an angle of 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. That is called a right angle triangle. Now let us see hypotenuse. The side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means which is the side of the right angle or opposite side of 90 degree. That is called hypotenuse. Now let us see example. Draw triangle LMN such that measure of angle LMN is equal to 90 degree, that is right angle, hypotenuse 5 cm and length of MN is equal to 3 cm. So for this first we have to draw a rough figure, and then according to rough figure we can draw a required figure. Now let us see steps. Number 1, according to rough figure draw the base seg MN. So first we have to take base MN, and first we have to draw a rough figure. So this is base MN, which is given 3 cm, and LMN, for this we can give the point L. LMN is given 90 degree, which is denoted by this symbol. And its opposite side, that is LN, that is hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is given 5 cm. So by using this we can draw a required figure. So first we have to take base segment MN of 3 cm. So take scale and start from 0 to 3 cm. So here we got base MN of 3 cm. Next we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at point M. So this middle point we can put on the point M, and this line on this line segment MN. Now see the direction of this line. It is on right hand side. So we can start from right hand side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So here we got 90 degree. Now we can join these 2 points. Now we got a right angle at point M. Now we have to take compass, and by using this compass we have to draw an arc at point N. So open the compass at point N, and hypotenuse, this side is given 5 cm, therefore we have to take distance 5 cm. So 0 to 5. Open the compass of 5 cm at point N and draw an arc at point L. Now we have to join these 2 points L and N, and now we got Ln, which is hypotenuse. of 5 centimeter. Now we got triangle LMN, that is a right angle triangle, and this is a required figure. Now let us see an example from practice set 5. So according to this step, we can draw any diagram. And always remember, don't write the steps in the exam. Only follow the steps, and according to these steps, you have to draw these two diagrams. But first you have to draw this rough figure. And according to this rough figure, you can draw required figure. Now let us see example from practice set 5. Practice set 5. Let us see question. Construct triangles of the measures given below. Let us see example number 2. In the right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU is equal to 5 centimeter and length of ST is equal to 4 centimeter. So here we have hypotenuse and base. Length of ST means base is given, and in right angle triangle is given. It means that one angle is 90 degree. So first we have to draw rough figure. See, hypotenuse SU is given 5 centimeter. It means that we have to take another point, that is T, and at this point T we can draw angle of 90 degree, that is right angle. So ST is given 4 centimeter, SU is given 5 centimeter, and angle T is given 90 degree. Therefore we got right angle triangle STU. So by using this we have to draw required figure. So we have to take base ST of 4 centimeter. So here we got ST or TS of 4 centimeter. Now at this point T we have to draw right angle, that is 90 degree. So the direction of right hand side, from right hand side we have to count, and then we will get 90 degree. Now join these 2 points, and at this ray we can take point W, that is we got ray TW. Now by using this compass we have to take hypotenuse SU, that is 5 centimeter. So 0 to 5, put on the point S, and now draw the arc. Now we got point of intersection of these 2 arcs. Now join these 2 points and give the name to this point of intersection, that is U. This is hypotenuse SU, 5 centimeter, angle T 90 degree, and now we got right angle triangle STU. This is required figure. So by using this rough figure we can draw required figure. So I will give you homework, and you have to solve few more examples from practice set 5. And don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Bye. Take care.